Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate tax loss harvesting with Wealthfront step by step clearly. To automate tax loss harvesting with Wealthfront, start by creating an account on the Wealthfront website. Once your account is created, log in to your Wealthfront dashboard. Navigate to the investments section of the dashboard. Locate the option for tax loss harvesting. Understand the concept of tax loss harvesting, which involves selling securities at a loss to offset capital gains taxes. Decide how much of your portfolio you want to be managed under this strategy. Select your preferred investment strategy, ensuring it aligns with your financial goals. Review the types of accounts eligible for tax loss harvesting, including individual and joint taxable accounts. Ensure you have sufficient taxable assets to take advantage of the tax loss harvesting strategy. Once you have determined your settings, enable the tax loss harvesting feature. Wealthfront will begin monitoring your investments and identifying potential tax loss harvesting opportunities. You can check back regularly to see updates on any realized losses and how they impact your tax situation. Review the tax loss harvesting feature periodically to adjust settings as your investment goals change. Consider consulting with a tax professional to understand how tax loss harvesting can fit into your overall tax strategy. Stay informed about any updates or changes to Wealthfront's tax loss harvesting guidelines. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to automating tax loss harvesting with Wealthfront. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.